Lucky's Wheels and Deals with another video of my 2014 Chevy SS. So I've been telling you guys about the stuff I use to make my avalanche plastics shiny and pretty much stay that way until you wash it off. I've tried Mother's and McGuire's, I think that's the brand, trim restore. It makes it a little shiny, but it's still really dull to me, and it doesn't last long at all. It costs about like $10 a bottle, and it's a waste of money to me. So this is what I use. Yes, this is Tire Shine Gel. This works extremely well. You just need a little bit, and I haven't had to, I think the year that I've had it, I put it on like maybe every 4 months, if that. So it will last a really long time. It costs about the same amount of money, and like they say, a little bit goes a very long way. So I am going to show you my process, and using my Armor All Tire Shine Gel. So I've cleaned it all off. I used Dawn dish soap, you know, to wipe it all down, and didn't have to do too much scrubbing because the gel is kind of thick, but like I said, it lasts a long time, so it's not as thick as, you know, it might seem. It's starting to actually rain out here, of course, but as you can see, it's drying out. And usually, and I actually think this is working in the long run, as in, because usually there'll be like so many streaks and stuff going down here, like, and really dull, like even duller than this. So I think in the long run it might actually be helping to keep it restored. So I'm gonna pull my car in the garage because, like I said, it's starting to rain out here, and I don't think it needs any more drying time. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like when it's dry, and it actually looks pretty good, surprisingly. Yeah, so give me a second. I'm gonna pull my baby in the garage before it starts pouring down rain. And I'm just advertising all kinds of Armor All Tire Shine Gel. That's funny. I don't use this for my tires at all. I just use it for my plastic trim. Yeah. So let's get to it. Oh, and I just use a regular face towel. Nothing special, nothing fancy. The terry cloths are really thick, so it sucks up a lot of the gel. And like I said, you only need a very little bit to make it all shiny again. So, alright, don't use much at all. I don't know if you guys can see the difference already. Yeah, so you just spread it, and you could tell, of course, when you need to put on some more, like, you need to put on some more. But it doesn't take much at all. Make sure you get all down here, because when somebody's behind you, they can see all that. You don't have to glob it on because it is really thick. It doesn't take long at all. And of course, by it being gel, dirt particles and all that will stick to it. But all you have to do is wipe it down with a rag with nothing on it, with a dry rag, and it comes right off, and, you know, Don't have to scrub it off or anything, just wipe it down like you're dusting kind of. And you'll be good as new. See? It looks a lot better already. This is the after effect of me using the tire shine gel on my Avalanche plastic. Like I said, I think longevity wise, this is conditioning it real good. Because before I would take it off and it would be really streaky and very,